Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So on this video, I'll be sharing a very delicious recipe of okra, saltfish and spinach. This right here, honey, it could make so yummy and easy to follow. So I'll be using some chopped onion, mixed bell peppers, scotch bonnet, which is optional, dry seasoning. I've got here nutmeg, salt, dry thyme and all-purpose seasoning. I've got some chopped tin tomatoes here, vegetable oil, chopped baby spinach because it's softer and it doesn't take too long to cook, which I love. Here's some chopped okra, which we call dongo dongo in Lingala, and saltfish, which is makaya in Lingala. This is already washed, descaled and desalt. I'll leave instructions on how to do that in the description box below. That is it for the ingredients. If you like this recipe, please give it a like, comment, share with your friends and families and subscribe if you haven't. So let's start. So first thing first, we need to fry the saltfish. Add a reasonable amount of oil into the pan on medium to high heat and wait for that to get hot. Then start to fry them on both sides until it changes to a golden color. I don't like to fry them completely because they're going to cook for 5 more minutes. So when they're changing color, take them out and leave them aside. Next step, we're going to fry those okra because honey, I do not like slimy okra. This method right here though is your best friend if you don't like slimy okra as well. So I'm frying them on medium heat. Make sure you do have enough oil so that they don't burn, and also stir them every now and then. After about 3 minutes, most slime should be gone. Take them out, leave it aside because we're going to use it in just a minute. To make the sauce, I've got some oil in a saucepan. Add the quantity that you prefer. I'm going to fry some onion and mixed bell peppers. You literally don't need much. I'm using a very small quantity, as you can see, so fry them until they are soft. Next, I'm adding some chopped tin tomatoes. I've got 5 tablespoons of it. Mix it all together, honey, until it's cooked. To identify that, as you may know, you'll see the oil showing up more and blending with the tomatoes. I'm now going to add the spinach. This spinach is deceitful. Watch it shrink as I mix everything together. Next, add the okra and mix everything well together. Your saltfish may be more or less saltier than mine, so do add the quantity of seasoning that's best for you. As I always say, gradually add it, stir it together, taste it, see how it goes with you, and you can know how much more to add. As with me, I've added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of nutmeg and dried thyme, and a bit of salt, then mix it well together. Things are finally just about looking good. I'm now adding the fried makayabu. Add it all in there. Then add about 400 milliliters of water. And again, this depends on the quantity of spinach, okra and saltfish that you have. So what I would suggest is add the water just above it and it should be fine. Now adding the pili pili in there, I'll burst it when the food is done to make it spicy, just like I like it. So close the lid and cook it on medium to high heat for about 15 minutes, but do check on it every now and then. Give it a stir if it needs to. And when it's done, et voila, c'est prêt à manger. Guys, this was absolutely delicious. Plate full of goodness. Okra is good for you, spinach is good for you, fish is good for you, it's good for your brain. So it was absolutely amazing. I served mine with semolina fufu or nzakumba. Guys, this was so good. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it, comment, share with your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't. press that notification bell which will pop up. It will keep you up to date with my recipes. I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye bye.